The strongest routine belongs to a mother. Mother wakes up before sunrise. Mother waking up preparing breakfast. Works all day without rest. Mother cleaning, cooking, helping kids, and still sleeps last after everyone else. Mother praying and finally resting. A mother's routine is love in action. Please don't forget my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my video. See you again in the new video. Best of luck.